everybody, it's the OG AT here with Sonia Stump. Tell us what's going on a little bit there, Sonia.
Hey, we've got the car show going on here at the Cooper Museum, and we're in the patio right now. We have some fabulous old classic cars. We've had some really interesting, I guess, celebrity politicians, that including our lovely Upland Mayor and Janice Elliott, one of our council persons. Glad to have them here today, and Kurt Hagman was here earlier too.
Excellent.
Which is very nice.
Very cool.
It's been a fun day, kind of perfect weather.
Yes.
It's not too hot, and it's
no
not
drizzle.
too cold. No drizzle. That's what we want.
Sure, all the car guys were going,
Yeah.
don't drizzle. Don't
Yeah,
drizzle.
for sure.
And
for
where's
sure.
our stilt walker?
He should be here at 11.
Okay.
He's already here, but his contract is 11 to 1. But
Yeah,
so-
he's a union man.
yeah.
Well, thank you very
But
much.
he'll be here. He'll
appreciate
be here.
it, and appreciate all your efforts on behalf of the HDU in helping put on this event. We appreciate it very much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Welcome to today's event. First of all, I think it's important that we always honor our veterans. I'm a veteran myself, so when I come out here and I see these veterans from wars past, it makes me feel really good to know that I have this ability to do what I do because of them. And I think sometimes we forget the freedoms that we have today are because of those veterans who fought in those wars. And I want to honor them as much as possible.
I look around at these cars and I am excited. These are the motor cars the muscle cars that I grew up with. Thank you everybody that have taken your time and effort to preserve them. Thank you to the sponsors. Thank you for the Cooper's Museum, for the Chamber of Commerce, for the city. I see the City of Upland, Recreation and Community Services.
are you?
Yes, we do have celebrity sightings.
Celebrity sighting. I'm camera ready too.
Are you?
Yeah.
COGAT. You had such a long way to walk.
I know. Well, I went for my morning walk and I was like, I guess I'll go look. How are you?
I'm all right.
All right.
I'm all right. So it's the OGAT at Pacific Wine Merchants. And across the street is the Cooper Museum. And our Armed Forces car show is going on right now. All right.
Let's get it with the Cooper Museum.
Yep, exactly.
Let me know if sizing is right.
Oh, that's cool. Beautiful.
This is a really nice community.
It is, it is.
I went to your bakery.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he hooked me up with the best breakfast sandwich. The croissant was great. And now we're going over to your museum.
This
is gonna
is
be fun.
my business right here.
Oh, this is you?
Yep.
Oh, fantastic.
Wow.
And so it's a wine and...
Wine and cigar store. We do on sale and off sale, so you can stay on the patio and have a glass of wine and enjoy a cigar.
And the location is
Yep,
so nice.
right. This is a
You got-
1937 Santa Fe train station.
Beautiful. Beautiful and so clean, too.
They might have spruced it up for
Well,
you.
okay, well, I found a clean pocket, you know. Well, you're impressing me right now.
Very good. All right. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself.
Well, thank you so much, Mark. It's good to see you and meet you and see what's going on here. Looky, this is gorgeous. Now we have a fire truck here, early 1900s. You've ever seen an actual one that was utilized here in Upland? Sure.